eBay has a policy that requires sellers to accurately specify the item location in their listings. This policy is designed to help buyers know where the item is located and estimate shipping and delivery times accurately. According to eBay's item location policy, sellers must indicate the country in which the item is located and provide the city or postal code if the item is located in the United States. If the item is located outside of the United States, the seller must specify the city and country where the item is located. Sellers are not allowed to misrepresent the item location or use a false or misleading item location in their listings. eBay may take action against sellers who violate this policy, including removing their listings, lowering their search ranking, and even suspending their accounts. It is important for sellers to comply with eBay's item location policy to ensure a positive buying experience for their customers and avoid any potential penalties from eBay.